Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader. I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Thursday, February the 21st, 2019. Well, let's go ahead and jump right in and see what happened with the markets today. And if we take a look at the diamonds first, you see that we had, just about average volume right at, 1.03, so that's average volume. You can see it down here, and a little bit of a red day. I marked up some resistance lines here. If you take a look at this, you can see that we had some prior highs here that we are fighting with, so we're trying to get through those. We've had this run up for many weeks in a row, so it's not out of the question. We did have a little pullback here, a little bit here, it's not out of the question to consolidate here, the main thing is going to be we're going to have to build the energy to get through it. We've got the 200 way down here, so the hope is that we haven't run out of steam. If you look at the daily here, it was pretty much a down day, a little recovery at the end of the day, but just as everything else, let's see what the future brings. The spiders, as we look at that, we have this mark here, right around the 281 mark that everybody has been talking about that we need to get through. And if we take a look at it here, we've pretty much got the same thing. We've been coming straight up, no pullbacks to speak of. With this one, we are well above the 200. If we look here, we are just a little bit below average volume. You can see it on the graph here. Not a bad day, but we had this a little bit of volatility here, and then it came up a little bit on the end of the day there. So that is your spiders for you. And now the Qs, same thing here. We've got a couple different levels, but each time it's almost like a bouncing ball. We don't get quite as high. With the Qs, we've had the more of the up and down on the way up, and we're building a good amount here of consolidation. So hopefully we're just going to build the strength and pop through. Nice thing is we do have this little bit of a tail right here. Okay. We didn't close on lows. You can see the volatility through the day. Once again, we're at 0.8 to 80% of volume. You can see here just a little bit on the low side. Friday, it'll be an interesting day to see what happens. If everybody takes profits or if people, buy up some bargains, just what happens. So, all we can do is wait and see. Now let's go ahead and get into Holly real fast. Holy Grail had 5 trades for a profit of 57 cents. Risk on profit 64. If we take a look at what the best trade was there, we had CSGS. It was Tailwind, a long trade. She got out on a timed exit. So as we look at that, you can see got in right here. On the timed exit, got out right here. And then after that, we had it ended up just gaining 2 more cents and closed at 54 cents on the risk on category. Now let's go ahead and take a look and see what the best risk on trade was. And we had TLND. Once again, a long trade, got out for a timed exit at 37-cent profit. But had you held that till the end of the day, look what it did. You would have made $1.02 on it. So that was a very, very nice trade there. And with that, we're going to go ahead and move on to the Holly 2.0. And we had 9 trades here, profit of 86 cents, but on risk on, she lost 17 cents. So let's take a look and see what happened here. We had a short SLDB, 22 cents profit on a timed exit. So, let's see where she got in it. She got in it right here, and got out right there. And then after she got out, it just ended up with the risk on profit of 21 cents. So now let's see what the best risk on trade was, and that was CJ. 24 cents was the risk on. She got out for a timed exit, and at 14 cents profit, if you held on, you had another dime for 24 cents. And now let's go ahead and move on to the Holly Neo, where we see we had 10 trades for a loss of 23 cents, risk on a gain of 15 cents. Her best trade was Tailwind TLND, which we looked at on the other chart, I believe, was one of them, and got out the timed exit and risk on profit $1.02. So that is your Holly and market update for today. Let me go ahead and bring in the Excel spreadsheet though, so we can review that real fast, and we'll end up the video for today. We had a total of 24 trades for $1.20 profit. Risk on profit was 62 cents, and for the week we are sitting at 68 trades, 3 cents profit, 433 was the risk on profit. So hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.